So I ended up with a lot of the edge, just the very edge of the drywall. Point you up. Can you see that seam? Okay. Now this seam actually looks good, but I'm not on top of it. I can't see it very well. Actually, I don't think that's good right there. That has to be cut out. But I'm cutting out stuff like this everywhere on this drywall because the edge is crushed. And if I don't cut it out, and pre-fill it, it's going to show. Within a year, I'm going to have a little bulge there. All of the other guys say, oh, you ran the tape backwards and that's why it bulged out. No, you didn't cut the bad spot out of the seam. That's why it bulges out. Tape is tape. And just because it has that crease, doesn't mean one side sticks better to the wall than the other. It's a piece of paper. They didn't make it with two sides. If they had made this with two sides, they would have said all over this thing, this side to the wall, this side to the wall. They would have put it all over this. They would have just printed it on here. This is just paper. I actually had a roll of tape one time, and the crease wasn't in the middle. It was just right here on the edge. That's where the crease was. They creased it wrong, or they made it wrong, or something. I didn't. I'm in the middle of nowhere, taping, open the case of tape, and I find that. I'm not going to stop working. I'm going to tape that house out. And I did. I taped it out with the crease being right here on the edge. So, and besides, if one side sticks better to the other, how many times have I creased it like this and taped something this way, and now this is the side that's supposed to be sticking out? So it's paper. Both sides are the same paper. I don't know why people think any differently, but it's not. It's paper. They're not going to make the paper two different sides. Sorry. I think I just murdered that one, didn't I? You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like my videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like them, please just share them with somebody else. How do you like my new t-shirts? And you know, you also might want to check out these other videos that are playing right down here right now. So just click on them. All right? Subscribe. Have a great day.